There's a new video AI model. It's called Vidu Q1, and this model has capability to generate high quality cinematic AI videos. You can generate high quality cinematic videos with simple text inputs, image inputs, and even reference videos as well. Just have a look at these different video templates. So there is this famous French kiss kind of videos that you can generate. You can also create this kind of like viral social media hug videos that we can just provide two different photos and it can just make those characters hug. So there are like plenty of these different templates that you can actually create using this model. The good thing is there is an API key available as well. So if you're actually looking to develop some sort of like app, a mobile app, or maybe a web app that can actually offer this kind of features to your users, so I think that can be a really profitable app. So you can just go to vidu.com and explore all of these different amazing templates, and also you can explore their API as well. They have also provided this very detailed documentation, so you can actually go through this to integrate this into your app. But first, let's just see what this amazing AI model is capable of. Just have a look at some of these amazing videos which were created using this model. I mean, I'm really impressed by the high quality and the detail on all of these different videos. So from an anime style to ultra realistic style to cartoony style to Disney style and even cyberpunk style, like futuristic kind of videos, and even like this kind of like Minecraft style, everything you can generate using this amazing AI model. You know, the most shocking part for me is people have actually created a lot of short films as well using this model. So just go to this short films tab and let's just like start exploring some of the amazing creations that a lot of creators have actually submitted here. So yeah, this one looks great. Wow. It's just like a actual Japanese anime, but just amazing. You can like create different kind of animations of the same character with same consistency, maybe similar kind of dress, similar kind of like facial features, similar kind of like hair features, everything you can generate using this AI model. Look at the camera movement of this shot. This is proper cinematic. Let's just start creating some crazy ideas. So to start using Vidu, you can simply just come to this vidu.com and from here just click on try Vidu, and I have already signed up and I already have this ultimate plan. And from here you can just like go to this text to video. You can just like generate your own prompt. You can maybe like use something like ChatGPT and then you can just like provide that prompt in here, or you can just like try some of the samples. They also have a user guideline about your prompt, but you can just like try this sample maybe. So I'll just like click on this sample, and from here in settings section you can actually choose the style of your video. So do you want this video to be an animation, something like this, or maybe a general video? Duration is 5 seconds, resolution is 1080p, which is amazing, and movement amplitude is auto, small, medium, or large. Let's just leave it at auto. Aspect ratio is 16:9. Let's just make it like more like a TikTok style. So amount is 1, and after that simply just click on create, and now it will start creating our video. So now it has just started creating our video, and just like that in a couple of seconds it has just created this very cute video. Now you can simply just download this video and maybe create a reel out of it. Next, let's just try the image to video functionality. So I can just upload any image. You can simply just click on this upload image option, and from here I have just uploaded my personal photo in here. Now I can just give it a prompt, or I can simply just click on this create button and just create a video out of this photo. So I have not provided any prompt, so let's just see what it does with my photo. Oh wow, look at this. This video is crazy. Look at this. Amazing. I mean, just amazing. Just look at the quality of video. The overall smile and like facial expressions and realism is just amazing. Mind-blowing. So let's just go to this reference to video section, and in here let's just provide it a reference. You can only provide images as reference, so I've just provided these 4 different images. You can actually save these references as well. So I'm just providing this simple prompt, which is create a 3D style video. I'll simply then click on this create button, and then let's just see what it creates. Look at this video, guys, that it has just created. It has created this Studio Ghibli style photo, so like that viral by OpenAI kind of photo style. But yeah, this is cool. Now you can actually try any of these templates. So let's suppose if I want to try maybe this one, I can just provide one of my image in here, and then it can actually create that style of photo. So I can simply just click on create, and now within just few seconds we'll have our video ready. Okay, look at this video now. So now it has turned that into a Minecraft character. So just like that, this is me in Minecraft. cool. So just try any of these templates. You can create like this kind of like cool French kiss or kind of like the balloon effects as well, but there's an AI outfit changer as well, so you can try this one as well. To create consistent characters, what you can do, you can simply just create your references in here. So just go to my references tab, and in here you can see I have created my reference in here, the reference of my photo, and now I can just like create a consistent character based on this photo. So I can just like, I have my reference name as well, and I can add my tag as well. So I can just like provide that tag and create a consistent character based on my reference. The most amazing thing about this AI model is its camera movements. By simply just providing details about camera movement inside your prompt, you can actually create any sort of like dynamic camera movement right inside your video. If you're new to AI video creation and you're not aware of like how to use prompts, how to write prompts for different kind of styles, so there is a tutorial section as well. You can just like go through this as well. It will give you very detailed tips and tricks about cinematic prompts. Also, you can make better use of my references as well. And also you can like make city landmarks fly, or just like make them do whatever you want. So all of you can learn in this tutorials tab. There is this section for AI sound effects as well, so you can just like create sound effects for your video right inside this tool. One more thing that I want to mention here is there is this non-peak mode as well. If you just like while creating a video, if you just like click on this non-peak mode, so what it will do, it will actually process your video during a non-peak hour, and it will process your videos for free. But this feature is only available for ultimate users. Right now you can see I'm an ultimate user, so this feature is available to me. So just give this tool a try. You can use the link in description to access this tool and just use your creativity to create something amazing. You can also use their API to build something amazing. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment in comment section. I see you next video. Bye bye.